by saying this. It is true that Wetangula has been mentioned on the issue of Tokyo and the BAT and whatever. But who would be his opponent as you measure him on that particular standard?
You mean presidential or?
Yes, presidential. His opponent in 2017 will be Uhuru.
The incumbent.
But Uhuru was also mentioned with computer errors. You remember?
As minister.
As Minister for Finance.
The typo?
Yes.
But no money was stolen.
Oh gosh. Do you live in Kenya?
Let's go to break. We do a lot of research.
He was also mentioned during the scandal of Passad, of purchase of the Passad vehicles, CMC.
Yes.
Yeah. But so you have lowered the standard.
Not
if that is going to be the standard, then remove all these people and bring fresh guys.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
so who's going to be president and who can be president?
Yeah.
What standards do you set then?
Tell us. The public should tell us. Here we are. He has been fighting corruption in his own way.
Yeah, absolutely.
I have been fighting corruption
in your own way.
You know?
Yes.
And we are not listened to. I mean, if chapter 6 on leadership and integrity was there, William Ruto, with the stories of land grabbing, the stories of the maize scandal, the story of the special jet that took him to West Africa would be enough to throw him out of office.
Real quick before we go to break, Dr. Ari, can Baba be president?
Yes.
He can?
Yes.
Does he have a window?
Why not?
Benji?
I think there's a major complication with Raila's candidature.
Right now?
Has always been there.
But then he thinks like Buhari, he thinks maybe fourth time lucky.
I think there's an unspoken complication, and it has to do with 82. Having said that,
no, that's the past.
Well, I'm telling you.
What? That's the past, Benji.
It was part of the struggle that brought us where we are today.
No, I'm not passing any judgment. I'm saying
1982.
I'm saying
1982.
I'm saying that your coalition believes that the Supreme Court was completely compromised. In fact, they've said that they wouldn't go to that court again. So I'm just saying that there are reasons and build up to this situation.